Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating both filters. The water filter is usually in the upper right or lower grill, while the air filter sits in the fridge ceiling. Once found, turn the ice maker off and shut the small water valve if available. This prevents spills and pressure when you remove the cartridge. Make sure to have a towel and bucket handy, plus gloves for grip. Why do this first? Because relieving water pressure and clearing the area keeps the job clean and fast. Now you remove the water filter. Push in and pull out for cartridge types, or rotate counterclockwise for twist models. Pay attention to the arrow marking so you know the insertion orientation. Once out, catch residual water with a towel and check the O-ring. Replace it if cracked because a bad seal causes leaks. Insert the new filter until you feel a click or resistance, then restore water. Afterwards, flush about 2 to 3 liters to clear air and activate the cartridge. This ensures clean-tasting water. Finally, you replace the air filter. Open the ceiling or rear cover, slide or pop the old cartridge out, and note the airflow arrow so you install the new one correctly. Press the cover closed and reset any filter indicator on the control panel so service reminders are accurate. Once done, turn the water and ice maker back on, run the dispenser briefly, and let the fridge stabilize. If you notice low flow, leaking, or strange sounds, reseat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.